explore the enchanting Sinharaja Rainforest, Sri Lanka's last viable tropical rainforest, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Home to rare wildlife, endemic birds, vibrant flora, and breathtaking waterfalls. This lush green paradise is a haven for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Join us on a journey through dense jungle trails. Listen to the sounds of exotic birds and witness the untouched beauty of this incredible ecosystem. Perfect for ecotourism adventure seekers. Discover why biodiverse places on Earth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning nature explorations.